In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set project budgets in Goodday. Setting up your budgets correctly is essential if you want to keep your projects profitable and under control. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step inside the Goodday interface so you can configure expense settings and create a clear, unit-based budgeting structure for your work. Let's start inside your Goodday workspace. Look toward the bottom left corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually where your avatar or initials appear. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens up a menu with various personal and account-related options. From this menu, choose Account Settings. This is where you can manage the configuration of your workspace, including billing, finance, and how expenses are handled. Clicking Account Settings will open a new page or the panel with several categories listed. Next, in the Account Settings area, find and click on Billing and Finance. This section controls how you track money-related items in Goodday, such as payments, subscriptions, and of course, expenses. It's helpful to remember that anything tied to project costs will usually be configured here. Inside Billing and Finance, locate the option labeled Expenses and click on it. The Expenses page is where you define how costs are structured for your projects. Here, you'll see a list or table of existing expense types, along with options to edit them. To modify an expense configuration, look for the pen or pencil icon next to the relevant expense entry and click on it. This icon is the standard edit button in Goodday. Clicking it opens an editing window where you can customize how this expense behaves and how it's applied to your projects. Within the edit window, find the field labeled Default Type and click on it. This determines how Goodday interprets and calculates this expense. You'll see different options, and for project budgeting, one of the most useful is Unit-Based Costing. From the list of default types, select Unit-Based. A unit-based expense means the cost will be calculated based on a specific quantity, such as hours, items, or milestones. This is ideal when you want a predictable cost per unit of work, making your budgets much clearer and easier to track. After choosing unit-based, type in all the necessary details. This typically includes a descriptive name for the expense, a clear definition of what one unit represents, and the cost per unit. Be as specific as possible so that anyone using this later understands exactly how to apply it to a project budget. Once your details look correct, scroll down if needed and click Submit. This saves your changes and updates the default behavior of that expense type. From now on, when you apply this to a project in Goodday, it will follow the unit-based setup you just configured, helping you estimate and monitor your project budgets much more accurately.